Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.